After I mixed egg with milk, I never bought cheese in the market again. Making it at home is very easy and delicious. Start by adding 2 liters of room temperature milk to a container. At this point, we will need eggs and lemon. Place 3 eggs in a small bowl. Beat your eggs very well until all the yolks are broken. Make 800 milliliters of lemon juice. This equates to 2 large lemons. Mix the juice well to incorporate them into the eggs. This homemade cheese with only 3 ingredients that we are making is very tasty and very easy to prepare. In a pan, put your 2 liters of milk. After that, add a tablespoon of salt and wait for it to boil. As soon as the milk starts to boil, add the egg mixture with the lemon. However, do this by adding little by little and stirring constantly. I would like to know which country or city you are watching us from so I can send you a special thank you in the next recipe. Thank you for always viewing and enjoying our recipes. If you made it to this part of the recipe, it means you're enjoying it. So write, "I love homemade cheese," in the comments so I can send you a special thank you in the next recipe. At this point, turn off the heat, cover the pan and let it rest for 10 minutes so that the liquid is completely separated from the dough. Over time, observe how the liquid separates from the mass. This is how it should be. Then separate the mass from the liquid with the help of a strainer so that you only have the mass. This was the mass we got from 2 liters of milk. To pack our homemade cheese, we will fill a pot with the dough, crushing it well with the help of a spoon until it is very compact. After squeezing well, cover with plastic and refrigerate for 2 hours. That's it, our homemade cheese with only 3 ingredients is ready. Look how delicious. Ideal for breakfast. Rate our revenue from 0 to 10. Thanks for watching until the end. Hope you liked the result. See you in the next recipe.